Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to pay safely using Cash App QR codes and how to avoid scam. So what is Cash App Pay with QR code? Cash App lets you pay merchants by scanning a unique QR code at checkout. It connects your account securely with end-to-end encryptions and fraud detections without needing to manually enter a Cashtag or phone number. And here's how to secure payments with Cash App QR codes. Launch the app and select the Cash App Pay QR scanner in the home screen of the top left corner. Then align your camera to scan QR code display at by the seller. Then double check the recipient's name and amount before confirming. And last, authenticate with your PIN, Face ID, or fingerprint to finalize the transaction. And here are some common security risks to watch for, like fake or temporary QR codes. Scammers sometimes paste their own QR codes over legitimate ones to steal the funds. And then is phishing attack. QR codes that redirect to phishing sites can appear legitimate but steal your information. Last, lack of authentications. Unknown glitch allowed some QR payments to go through without user entering their PIN, prove that vigilance matter. And best practice for safe QR codes payment is use only authorized merchant's code, avoid sticker or suspicious looking print. Next, verify what appears after scanning. Ensure the recipient's merchants matches the intent merchants, and don't scan QR codes from unknown or public source, especially menus or parking signs. And enable enhanced security in your Cash App settings like PIN lock, biometric authentications, or two-factor authentication. And here's some red flags and how to react. Like no payment notification or confirmation, don't assume payment processed, confirm with the merchants. Next, unauthorized or unrecognized charges, immediately report them via the app and monitor your activity feed. And here's a final advice. When used responsibly, Cash App QR codes payment offer a fast, secure, and convenient checkout experience. Just follow this step and stay alert and only scan codes from trusted source. That's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.